dreams. We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Good morning and welcome back on the road. I slept in Moana's Bay right next to Cheddar's Cove. It's not a campsite, so I still kept it. I'm gonna take the Great Ocean Road today. I'm coming from the west side of the Great Ocean Road, like Adelaide side. And the big first stops would be Bay of Island, London Bridge, trough posted. Today we're gonna see so many fantastic bays and views. And I hope the wind doesn't pick too much up because I wanna fly my drone. But if you don't wanna tell me now. First stop, Bay of Island. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. The grotto. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go. Just a quick 3-minute drive and I'm heading to the London Bridge. Here we go. You can take me there. I'm at Sparks Gully, and all the other main spots on the Great Ocean Road, the Google Maps reviews is 1,700 and something, and Sparks Gully just got 13, and it's amazing. I'm just alone. It's like a little gravel road. You walk up like the tongue. It looks really sketchy, but it's worth it. With the drone shots, oh my god, it's so spectacular, because on the left you have these huge kind of cave beach. On the right you have the sandstone cliff beach. Over there you have a sandstone island, and it's amazing. Just by myself here. Welcome to the 12 Apostles. I drove back from the Gibson Steps to the 12 Apostles car park because I want to try my luck and have an epic sunset here. I got 1.5 hours to kill. I will jump back in my bed and watch some series in the meantime. And later on, hopefully I can show you guys a stunning sunset. To be honest, the sunrise personally was better than the sunset. Not because of the picture, but because of the people. The car park is like completely empty. I slept here and there's no sign, no camping here, so there's an open toilet 24/7 and rubbish bin. So if you staff camp and don't have a rooftop tent or something and have a bed inside, maybe try your luck. I got lucky, I didn't get caught. And I went to the sunrise and there was just like few people, just like in total it was like 5 people. So you could get so many good pictures there. Okay, I will have some breakfast and then keep heading southeast. Forest walk, I'm on the way to the Habe Falls. I'm back on the road. The Habe Falls, stunning waterfall, really beautiful. And just 8 kilometers further, there's another waterfall, the diesem waterfall. Okay, unfortunately it started to rain, so I drove further to the choke forts where I'm at the moment. Then it started pouring like shit. I was hiding in my car, now it's kinda getting less rain. Next stop on the list, there's kein waterfalls. Unlucky. The lower lookout for the kein waterfalls is closed because of unsafe stairs. I got an idea. If I can't walk down there, maybe I can fly. Good morning. After a refreshing good hot shower on Lawn Beach, I will keep on and take the rest of the Great Ocean Road. In total, I did it in 3 days. The first stop was the trough. I slept there on a car park because I wanted to see the sunset and sunrise. It was really beautiful. I built my bed inside the car, so I kind of staff camped there and had no problems. Yesterday I went here to the kein waterfalls, and then in the evening it started to rain like shit. I decided to stop there and sleep there as well. But in the morning I just came down here in Lawn Beach, had a quick shower, and now I'm gonna tackle the rest of the Great Ocean Road.